Vitamix has earned its spot in kitchens around the world for one simple reason: it just works. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie, grinding nuts, or making hot soup from scratch, the right Vitamix can save time and deliver consistent results. But with so many models available, picking the right one for your routine isn't always straightforward. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 Vitamix blenders for 2026, from number 6 all the way to number 1. We'll cover key features, who each model is best for, and what to expect. Links to each product are in the description below. Number 6. Vitamix Immersion Blender. The Vitamix Immersion Blender isn't trying to replace your full-size countertop blender, and that's exactly the point. This handheld stick blender is built for quick, targeted blending jobs right in the pot, bowl, or cup you're already using. It's ideal for smaller tasks like pureeing soup, mixing sauces, or making a single-serving smoothie without hauling out a bulky base unit. If you already own a full-size blender but want a bit more flexibility in the kitchen, this compact tool is a great addition. At the top, there's a soft-touch, ergonomic handle that feels comfortable even during extended use. A simple twist-lock system connects the blending arms securely, and the variable speed dial gives you full control across 5 speed settings. The stainless steel blade is housed in a scratch-resistant guard designed to protect your cookware while still pulling ingredients in efficiently. Where it shines is in convenience. You can blend hot soups directly in the pot, froth milk for a latte, or whip up a quick salad dressing without needing to wash an entire jar and base. It's surprisingly powerful, with enough torque to tackle tougher textures like cooked vegetables or nuts in smaller amounts. That said, it's not built for heavy-duty tasks. Don't expect it to crush ice or process frozen fruits the way a countertop Vitamix can. And with only one blending attachment included, it lacks the extras some users may want, like a whisk or chopping bowl. Still, for those who already trust Vitamix for their blending needs, the Immersion Blender is a solid backup. It's compact, reliable, and designed to get small jobs done quickly without sacrificing quality. Number 5. Vitamix Ascent X2. The Ascent X2 is one of the newest additions to Vitamix's smart blender lineup, and it's clearly designed for modern kitchens that value both technology and space. With a smaller footprint and a sleek design, it fits comfortably in tighter kitchen setups without sacrificing the features people have come to expect from the Ascent series. It comes with a 48-ounce container, which is just the right size for single servings or small families. The digital touchscreen is responsive and easy to clean, offering a clean look without clutter. One standout feature is the integration of smart technology, Bluetooth connectivity, wireless self-detect container recognition, and access to Vitamix's Perfect Blend app. This lets you unlock programmable blending cycles for everything from smoothies and soups to frozen desserts. Because of its size and smart controls, the X2 is a great pick for couples, apartment dwellers, or anyone who doesn't need a full 64-ounce container. It handles most standard blending tasks easily, including dips, dressings, nut butters, and hot soups. Where it comes up a little short is power. It's less robust than the larger Ascent models, which might be noticeable if you're blending thicker mixtures or tougher ingredients. The 48-ounce container also limits you if you plan to batch cook or meal prep frequently. And while it supports self-detect containers, compatibility is more limited compared to something like the A3500. Still, for anyone who wants smart blending features in a compact, efficient package, the Vitamix Ascent X2 offers a great balance of tech, size, and everyday functionality. Number 4. Vitamix Explorian E310. The Explorian E310 is Vitamix's most budget-conscious full-size blender, but don't let the price tag fool you. It still delivers that signature Vitamix performance. Designed with simplicity in mind, this model skips the fancy tech and touchscreen displays in favor of analog controls and straightforward power. At its core is a 2-horsepower motor strong enough to crush ice, pulverize frozen fruit, and create silky smooth blends. The 48-ounce container is slightly smaller than the standard 64-ounce, making it a solid fit for singles, couples, or small families. You get a 10-speed dial for variable blending and a pulse feature for quick bursts of power, great for chunkier salsas or textured recipes. For daily use, the E310 handles just about everything: green smoothies, pureed soups, nut butters, sauces, and more. It also performs well with hot blends thanks to the durable container and cooling fan that helps manage heat during longer blending cycles. What stands out most is its value. You're getting full Vitamix reliability, build quality, and performance at a noticeably lower price. The all-manual control panel is easy to use and doesn't require any app pairing or digital setup. Of course, there are trade-offs. There are no preset blending programs, no wireless connectivity, and it's louder than newer models. But if you're not concerned about tech bells and whistles and just want something that works and lasts, the E310 is a solid choice. It's a true entry-level Vitamix with the power to keep up, making it a smart option for anyone looking to join the Vitamix family without overspending. Number 3. Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200 has earned its place as a staple in home and professional kitchens alike. It's one of the brand's most iconic models, known for delivering consistent power, no-fuss operation, and a level of durability that's hard to match. If you're looking for a blender that gets the job done without added tech layers, the 5200 might be your go-to. It features a 64-ounce tall container, perfect for handling large batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, or even nut butters. The 2-peak horsepower motor is built to power through tough ingredients, from frozen fruit to fibrous greens. A simple variable speed dial lets you control the texture and consistency of your blend, though unlike newer models, there's no pulse function or preset programs. What makes this model stand out is its performance over time. The 5200 is often passed down or resold still running strong after years of daily use. It's reliable for heating soups directly in the container through friction, allowing you to skip the stovetop altogether. Whether you're prepping meals for the week or blending multiple servings at once, it handles volume well. However, that tall container can be a drawback. It may not slide under standard kitchen cabinets, and it takes up a bit more storage space. It's also louder than some newer, lower-profile models, and it lacks the digital features many modern users might expect. Still, the 5200 is a true workhorse. It's a classic for a reason, straightforward, dependable, and built for long-term daily use. Number 2. Vitamix Professional Series 750. The Vitamix Professional Series 750 is built for serious blending, whether you're cooking at home or just want something that feels like it belongs in a restaurant kitchen. This model delivers the kind of performance chefs trust, but with the ease of use that works for everyday meals and smoothies. It comes with a 64-ounce, low-profile container that fits neatly under most kitchen cabinets, unlike the taller models that can be tricky to store. Inside, a 2.2 peak horsepower motor powers through thick blends, frozen ingredients, and dried goods with ease. The control panel includes 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, purees, and cleaning, allowing you to press a button and walk away. The addition of both a pulse switch and a variable speed dial gives you complete manual control when needed, which is great for chunkier textures or delicate recipes. Whether you're making soup for the family, kneading dough, or whipping up a quick frozen treat, it handles it all smoothly. Despite its power, the 750 runs quieter than older Vitamix models, thanks to improved sound dampening. It also has a sturdy, professional-grade feel, though it's heavier and takes up a bit more counter space. You won't find a touchscreen or wireless features here, and the price reflects its pro-level build. But if you value blending strength, preset convenience, and a classic control layout, the Pro 750 checks all the boxes. This one's a favorite among experienced cooks who want power, versatility, and reliable performance in a package that still fits under the cabinet. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. The Vitamix A3500 is the crown jewel of the Ascent series, built for home cooks who want the best blend of smart features, serious power, and a polished look. It's the most advanced Vitamix to date and easily earns its spot at the top of this list. At the heart of the A3500 is a 2.2 peak horsepower motor paired with a 64-ounce low-profile container. The sleek touchscreen interface replaces traditional dials and buttons, offering 5 programmable presets for smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. It also includes a built-in timer and auto shut-off, so you can set your blend and step away. Smart features are where this blender really stands out. Built-in wireless connectivity allows it to detect the container size you're using and adjusts settings accordingly. It also pairs with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which unlocks over a dozen additional programs and hundreds of guided recipes. It handles everything from thick nut butters and hummus to icy margaritas and hot soups. Despite its power, it's relatively quiet and stable on the counter, even when working through dense ingredients. That said, the A3500 sits at the high end of the price range. The smart features may be more than casual users need, and to take full advantage of the tech, you'll need self-detect compatible containers. Still, for those who want a high-end blender that's powerful, intuitive, and future-ready, the A3500 is hard to beat. It's the best all-around Vitamix for 2026, smart, strong, and stylish. Choosing the right Vitamix comes down to what matters most: container size, control style, and whether smart features fit your routine. From compact handhelds to high-tech flagships, there's an option for every kitchen. Links to all the models we covered are in the description below. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this.